Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this AI platform, which is Claude. So to get started, Claude AI by Authentific has emerged as a top AI assistant, especially with the release of Claude 4. It's known for advanced reasoning, strong coding ability, and a focus on safe and context-rich interaction. Claude AI shine in long-form writing, step-by-step problem solving, and a privacy-first design. It doesn't retain memory between chat unless explicitly enabled. Its free Sonnet 4 model handle most daily tasks, while the premium Optimus 4 offer agent-like capabilities and deep analytical power, make it ideal for complex workflow. However, Claude still has limitations, with usage throttles, occasional slowdowns, and limited artifact handling can affect performance, especially on the free plan. It's excellent for reasoning, but the GPT-4 may still lead in creative writing and standardized benchmark. And here's a very conclusion. The Claude AI is a top choice for privacy-conscious users and deep thinkers, but heavy users or creative may still prefer OpenAI's models for speed and consistency. And that's it. So if you have the video helpful, hit the turn on the notification button and let me know in the comment section what you think about this AI platform. And that's it.